Hello mga ka-tubers and friends of amateurs. We now arrived here at the airport in Iloilo, and outside you can see a duty-free shop there. There's also Emperador and Hotel Guests Lounge, Iloilo Convention and Visitors Bureau. Right outside you can see also a waiting area, and you can get a taxi right outside the airport because it's the most common mode of transport from here to the downtown area of Iloilo. And this is already in Cabanatuan town in the province of Iloilo. It's about an hour from the city of Iloilo, so the airport here is quite a distance from Iloilo city. The airport here in Iloilo. SkyGo Cafe here outside the airport, and you can also see the ticketing offices of Philippine Airlines outside the airport. We will now take the taxi going to Iloilo City. Hello mga ka-trippers and friends of amateurs. We're now taking this taxi going to the city of Iloilo from Cabanatuan, where the Iloilo airport is located, and it's about an hour ride. Board this taxi. Iloilo Research Outreach Station, Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. Avenue here in Iloilo.
Kaya pala sa kung gusto mo mahalin ka kay Rone, hindi ko. Ito sir, buhay lang ko.
There's also a big project of Mega World here in the city of Iloilo. It's also an IT park, and they're currently constructing the area. It's also a huge development of Mega World here in the city of Iloilo. Isuzu D-Max. This part of Iloilo is still undeveloped, so there's still a huge potential in this area. These are the sights that we see from the airport going to downtown Iloilo. Huh? Warehouse feeds for pigs, poultry. Mga pigs, okay. Warehouses here. Mixer. Truck mixer. Ito na ba kuya? Ito na po? SKI. Ano? This Technostress Systems Corporation. Itong area na to, kuya, ano po ito?
Pavia.
Ha?
Pavia.
Pavia? Subdivision?
Ay, hindi. Parang town sila.
Ha? Parang commercial complex din.
Ay, parang bayan yata din eh. Bayan. Pavia.
Carlitos.
Ito yung ano sir, yung galing na ng Iloilo, first town ito galing na Iloilo.
So this is Santa Barbara?
Ay, hindi. Laktin. Yung Santa Barbara ito pa.
Okay.
Pavia ito, first town.
Pavia.
O, galing ka ng Iloilo, Pavia.
Okay. Then after that is Santa Barbara, then Cabanatuan for the airport. Walay ka na. Ano ang pinakamasarap na pagkain dito sa Iloilo, kuya?
Iloilo?
Yes po.
Depende sa taste mo sir.
Pero normally, ano yung mga sikat na putahe dito?
Dun sa,
Like if you're not from Iloilo, so ano?
Tatoys, manok. Native na manok.
Manok, native chicken.
Tatos,
Ano po?
Tapos, Marami kasi sir, may mga seafoods din kasi dito sir eh.
So ikaw, yung kung anong i-recommenda mo, top 5 na dapat kainin sa Iloilo. So fried chicken, ano pa?
Yung mga pinakol na manok.
Pinakol na manok. Manok pa rin, ano?
Manok pa rin.
Ano pa? Yung hindi manok.
Seafoods, talaba.
Seafoods, talaba. Avida Stories Atria. Yung Atria, nasan po yun?
Nasa part na sa
Mandurriao din?
Mandurriao sir.
Okay. So malapit sa Camellia.
Camellia? Malayo sir?
Malayo pa yung Camellia.
Oo.
Mas malapit yung Avida.
Yung Camellia sir, parang di ba parang ano yan sa yung parang
Subdivision.
company?
Housing, mga housing
Oo.
projects.
Pero yung Camellia kasi dito sir, na nandito, may pangalan sa kasi Sabana. Yun na yung Camellia. Ngayon sa loob ng Sabana na yan, maraming mga ano dyan, mga pangalan, may trails, may clean. Yan mismo sa loob, iba-iba yung ano eh.
Okay. Sa loob ng Camellia development nila.
Yun. Yan.
Yung Avida, Atria, yan ba yung may mga tower cranes nga ginagawa if makikita mo from Smallville?
Sa Mega World yan sir.
Yan yung Mega World.
Oo, dyan sa Mega World.
Okay. Sa Mega World yan. Kasi the last time we were here, doon kami sa Iloilo Business Hotel nag-stay ba?
Iloilo Business Hotel? Sa may Smallville?
Smallville.
Ayun. Sa likuran lang yan sir.
Chooks to go, okay.
Kung doon ka sa taas, sa gilid niya, nandun yung Atria. Yun. Sa may Ateneo na eskwelahan.
May Ateneo dito sa Iloilo?
Oo, Ateneo de Iloilo.
Nasa Mandurriao din?
Hindi, Mandurriao pa rin siya, pero nasa banda na sa ng Smallville, malapit lang doon sa nachikilan niya dati.
Okay.
Pwede mo malakad. Pero
So yung Mandurriao na area is parang high-end area siya dito sa Iloilo, no?
Oo, parang Haro.
Parang ganyan. Parang commercial. So mahal doon.
Yun, mahal.
Mga properties doon, medyo mahal.
Mahal na talaga doon. Pero dati, nung unang punta namin dito, ano lang yung Mandurriao, ano dyan, Smallville? Parang ano yan dyan, mga palaisdaan mo siya.
Talaga?
Oo.
Wet market?
Oo, yan. Hindi, yung pinapataba ng mga isda.
So ikaw kuya, hindi ka taga rito?
Hindi.
Taga saan po kayo?
Kaya Rojas. Taga Rojas.
Up north.
Central.
Central yung Rojas. Malapit sa Pasig City, hindi rin?
Pasig, Iloilo pa na sa
Iloilo pa rin yan?
last part sa Sang Iloilo, capital city sa Iloilo.
Ilang cities ba meron ng Iloilo?
Isa lang yata, yung Pasig City.
At saka yung Iloilo City? Dalawa. Kasi Iloilo, tapos
pero
Capiz, then
kung
Aklan.
sa Olpanay, tatlo lang sila. Rojas City, Pasig City, at Iloilo City.
Rojas City is the capital of Capiz, di ba?
Capiz.
Sa Aklan, ano yung capital ng Aklan? Kalibo?
Ayan na yung Aklan nito siya. Yung Kalibo, kapital niyan Aklan.
Hindi siya city?
Hindi.
Hindi pa pala city yung Kalibo. Pero yung Talaba kuya, speaking of Talaba, saan tayo pwedeng Pavia People's Terminal here? Saan tayo makakakain ng masarap na talaba dito sa Iloilo?
Sa Breakthrough, mayroon din doon.
Breakthrough?
Oo.
Saan yan?
Sa Villa.
Villa. Ano yung Villa? Parang commercial complex?
Yung Villa sir, parang ano yun parang ano nga yan? Parang town din yan sa sir
Malayo siya?
Malapit lang. Ano yan sa last part ng Iloilo, papunta ng north din yan.
Papuntang north?
Oo, north. Papunta ng Antique.
Papuntang Antique. Kasi yung airport is going south, di ba? Nasa south siya. Nasa south ba siya?
South.
So, pa north tayo ngayon.
Papunta pala tayo ng central yung
Central.
Kasi
Okay.
parang ganito doon, dito kasi yung base niya,
Iloilo, tapos yung okay. President Corazon C. Aquino Avenue. So, we see few roads here na from the Aquinos, named after the Aquinos. Shell Station. So, nandito na ba tayo ngayon sa Iloilo City? Or still Pavia? Iloilo City na to.
Iloilo na sa'yo.
Okay. Palawan Pawn Shop and Petron. Tanong for me na. So what else kuya, after Talaba, ano pang dalawang putahe na pwedeng kainin dito na masarap dito sa Iloilo? Sikat na kainin dito.
kayo sir, ano, yung iba kasi sir, luto nila dito sa Kerala.
Okay.
Kailan
How about pansit? Sikat din dito. Yung batchoy.
Lapas Batsoy.
Lapas batchoy, yan.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Kailan kayo sir, sa Camellia?
Yes po. No, Camellia office lang sa General Luna.
Sir, yung meter na tayo galing dito sir
Okay po.
Kasi yung meter namin hanggang dito lang Yan?
Yes.
San Agustin sir?
This is San Agustin Church.
Yeah.
In Iloilo. Which part of Iloilo City kuya?
Sambag.
Sambag.
Oo.
So this is San
Ako sa loob niya, may paralan din. San Agustin. Ayan, San Agustin.
Okay.
San Agustin? San Agustin.
Father
Speed car wash. At the back of St. Joseph building is the San Agustin subdivision. So it's ready for occupancy now or tapos na po?
May mga bakante pa rin sa loob.
Okay.
Anak ko sa Africa.
This is the city of Iloilo. One good thing about the city is they have already wide roads here. So traffic is not much of a problem. Di ba kuya, yung traffic hindi naman masyadong problema
Pag dito,
pag dito
lang. Pero pag doon na tayo, masyado na.
outside Iloilo, outside the really downtown area of Iloilo, medyo traffic. But
Mga
outside,
rush hour, siguradong traffic talaga.
diba? Kasi may diversion road din kayo, diba? Going Mandoria. Ayan.
Pag sa diversion, minsan pag may sale yung SM, traffic talaga.
May sale yung SM.
Oo.
Si SM talaga sisisihin na.
Oo, pag may...
Syudad ani Noy. Syudad bang medyo
Saan? Saan?
basaan.
Hindi. Asam. Saan?
Sa downtown.
Doon tayo dadaan sa Mega Wall.
Sige po, kuya. Please.
Pero okay na yan sa inyo sa SM, nakita nyo rin yung SM.
Nakita ko na yung SM diversion
Dito
road.
tayo sa Mega Wall.
Yes, Mega World. So we can see the development right now of Mega World. And we want to tell our friends and investors about the developments here in the City of Love, Iloilo. So this is actually one of the most promising cities in the Philippines now. And I think the best in governance, City of Iloilo.
Ito yung bahay dyan sir, makikita mo yung bahay ni Congressman Jerry Triñas. Yung malaki dyan. Tapos sa
The
labas,
congresswoman of this district.
Iloilo.
Iloilo district.
Makikita mo din yung Carlos Big Shop sa kanya din yan.
Oh, isa. RSR dialysis. So Iloilo Med, the
Medical Center.
Yeah. Yes.
Andun sir, sa kabila.
Okay.
Dito na sir yung pala.
Kasi normally if there are dialysis centers, so this is the house of Congresswoman
Jerry Triñas.
Chiro Triñas, Congressman.
Congressman.
Okay.
Siya ngayon. Tapos yung dyan sa gilid, yan yung bake shop niya. Yan, Carlos Bake Shop.
This one. So this is his bake shop, Carlos. I see. Galinero Engineering Works. Giga Dub Shop.
Ato pitang kubay haro ani.
Kubay Haro sir, ma'am. Sa Tabok ma'am. Tabok Suba. Papunta na, lagpas ka na ng
Before Tagbak.
before
Tabok Suba, okay. Volvo. This is a service center. Yeah, service center Volvo. We're now seeing a signage of Jollibee. So that's yan po kuya, Jollibee.
Liliko tayo, papasok tayo ng Mega World.
Okay. So we will turn right so we can go around the vicinity of Mega World, a major development here in Iloilo. It's a commercial area. It's like an IT park. It's an IT park actually. There's Kia, Photon service centers here in Iloilo. And of course, Jollibee. Bida ang sarap. When I eat burger, fries, and fried chicken, Jollibee. But of course, you can also try the fried chicken here in Iloilo kasi ang sarap-sarap din ng fried chicken ng Iloilo. Barangay Taft North Mandurriao.
Taft North Mandurriao to.
Okay, this area. Mandurriao is actually a parang popular area din in the city of Iloilo, diba?
Siya na yung ano sir parang lumaki siya ng bigla.
Mandurriao.
Nung una, ano lang to, hindi masyado pinapansin yung Mandurriao.
But right now,
masyado siya na yung pinakamalaki sa barangay lang kasi ito sir
Yes.
Siya na yung pinakamalaki barangay dito sa ano.
Ilang barangays ba meron ng Iloilo kuya?
47.
47 barangays. And Mandurriao is one of the most progressive right now. And this
Ito
one,
na, sir, Mega World na to.
this is a Mega World project already. And this building, this white building,
Sir, Steve Walk, nandyan lahat yung mga restaurant.
restaurant. It's
dyan.
part of Mega World.
Yeah, Mega World.
There's McDonald's. So we also have a Mega World development in Mactan Island, Cebu, where you see a lot of condominium developments. And there's also McDonald's. There's the BPO building also, which houses the Converges and the Results BPO company. So pretty much the same.
Gusto mo na sir, pasokan natin yung
Yes.
festival.
Can we roam around the area, kuya, para we can have a better view. So this white building houses several restaurants, fine restaurants. Festive
Walk. Ayan sir, ang
Festive
pangalan.
Walk. Festive Walk Parade.
Yan.
Okay. So this is the Mega World project here in Iloilo City.
Ito yung Festive Walk.
Festive Walk.
Yan, Iloilo Business Park.
Okay, Iloilo Business Park. This is actually a unique building, and maybe they tried to pattern the design with the history of Iloilo. As you see, also there's a lot of nice heritage buildings here in the city of Iloilo. So there's Buklete, Sunny Side Up, Channel, JIP. So this portion here is a commercial area, kuya, no? And this one is the residential.
Ay, hindi sir. Lahat commercial dito sir.
Everything here is commercial. So there's no condominium development yet.
Mayroon sir. Yeah. Yung doon nga sa kabila sir.
Okay, pwede nating ma-check yun, kuya. Actually,
Ma'am, Iloilo na sa ma'am.
Mandurriao.
Mandurriao.
So this is Iloilo Business Park in Mandurriao.
Yan sir,
Barangay Mandurriao.
call center na sir.
WNS. This is a BPO BPO building.
Ma'am.
This building houses BPO.
Hindi sa ma'am building, call center na sir.
No Converges yet. Converges. Mega World Lifestyle Malls. Bistro Carcosa opening soon. And there's a Security Bank. Again,
Yan yata sir eh. Commercial din yan.
Commercial.
Commercial din.
There's McDonald's. So we just turned around. That's McDonald's. That's where we entered the area, Iloilo Business Park. So to San Miguel Benigno Aquino Senior Avenue, and you go right if you wanna go to Haro and Liganes, and left for San Miguel. Okay, this is Iloilo Business Park once again in Mandurriao, Iloilo City. Reed Elsevier. Ano yung Reed Elsevier?
Sa Richmond yan sir.
Richmond Hotel?
Oh, Richmond Hotel.
Okay. Still part of Iloilo Business Park. Transcom.
Transcom yan.
Icor.
StarTech.
Wow.
Dadaan na tayo sa ICC ng Iloilo, yung kung controversial na ICC na tayo doon.
This is Richmond Hotel here in Iloilo, and that's ICC?
Yeah, ICC.
International Convention Center?
Iloilo Convention Center.
Iloilo Convention Center. Okay. I see the design is quite unique.
Saan ba yung
By the way, there are 5 SM malls here, or supermarkets. There's SM and diversion area, SM Delgado in downtown,
Ano sir, meron din.
SM Hypermarket, SM Tabuk-Suba, and SM Haro.
Ito sir, ICC. Pasok na dyan.
This is Iloilo Convention Center. This is the Iloilo Convention Center here. Courtyard Marriott
Yan.
here in Iloilo Business Park.
Ito naman sir, sabi ng residential dyan. Tanda yan sir.
Saan?
Yung ginagawa ko lang sir. Yung mga residential dyan.
Okay, the residential
Parang ala Eastwood sa Maynila sir.
buildings of Mega World will be located in this area of Iloilo Business Park. So if you are looking to buy a condominium unit here in Iloilo,
Oh, malaki sir.
Tulad ng Davao City.
this is really a promising
Oh, mas
place.
malaki pa yata ito sir.
Hindi. Malaki ang Davao.
Malaki na ba? Ikaw ako
50
nakapunta ng
kilometers
Davao.
away.
We're actually having a tour around Iloilo Business Park by Mega World here in Iloilo City, Mandurriao area. So the boundaries is in this area with us, yung mga signage na. Yung mga signage na. So you go right if you go to San Miguel Mandurriao Plaza, and if you go to Molo, you go left. So we'll have a U-turn. Okay. So we'll also check SNR. It's a membership shopping place here in the Philippines. So they also have one branch here in Iloilo. There's a branch in Cebu also. So later we'll be going this area. We go to the city,
City, sir,
downtown, or
papunta?
just go here.
Daan tayo ng SNR.
City na lang.
Sige na. Dito na tayo daan
Yes.
ng Ateneo. Daan tayo ng Etria.
Atria, Avida.
Yun.
Okay. We can pass by Avida. So those are some of the big developments now here in Iloilo. So we have Avida here, we have Camellia, we have this one from Mega World Iloilo Business Park. Mega World also has a huge development in the island Mactan in the province of Cebu. It's Mactan New Town. There are also commercial buildings and condominium projects. And this building is
St. Anne College.
okay, the St.
Sama di po to.
Anne College.
Yan sa diyan may pangalan sa
Okay, St. Anne College of Iloilo. There's also St. Anne in Manila.
Daan din natin yung Ateneo dito.
There is a new hotel here with brown and white color, and this is Ateneo Iloilo. This one with the of white and blue paint building is Ateneo de Iloilo. This hotel is not yet operating, but it's almost done, so maybe very soon it will be operating already. Welcome to Ateneo Iloilo. So this is the school grounds of Ateneo de Iloilo, Santa Maria Catholic School. There's Ateneo de Iloilo, very close to Iloilo Business Park.
Ito naman yung pinakamahal na hospital dito. Qualimed. Yung pinakamahal na hospital.
Okay, the one with the brown paint building.
Hindi.
This one. This one is
Qualimed.
you see the emergency area.
Qualimed.
Qualimed Hospital is known to be one of the expensive hospitals here in the city of
Etria
Iloilo.
na siya.
This is Atria.
Yan.
Avida.
Ang Abida, doon na siya sa may unahan
okay.
ng ano, yung Camellia.
Okay. Atria Park District by Ayala Land here. This is also a development of Ayala, and this is shops at Atria. Commercial area, there's Jollibee, and there's Metro. Yes. Coca-Cola.
Tapos ito naman yung ano, Seda Hotel.
Seda Hotel of Ayala. This is the hotel arm of Ayala.
Oh.
District 21 Hotel.
Yan. Tapos ito naman yung condo ni Injap, yung Mang Inasal.
Injap. Injap is the owner of Mang Inasal. As the part owner of Mang Inasal.
Tapos yung isa na
Part
doon. sa
portion is
kabilang
also sold
building.
by sold to Jollibee. SNR there. And this the rotunda ko. What do you call this landmark?
Yung rotunda ng ano niya sa Drapain.
Okay. No, the across ko is Atria Parks. That's the commercial area of Ayala. Avida pa rin yun.
Hindi.
That's Ayala Land. No, that's Ayala Land.
Oo, ayan.
Tapos and this is Seda. Boss Coffee here. This is still Atria shop, no?
Oo, Atria na.
Atria Complex. There's Boss Coffee. MCOR from there. The avenue. That's already Diversion Road, right?
Oo, sa kabila niya.
Next to this road is actually parallel to this road is Diversion Road. So there's Smallville right there.
Ito ang Metro ang supermarket.
Metro.
Yan.
This is Metro Supermarket. Okay, everybody knows Metro Supermarket. And Boss Coffee and Jollibee. So you can find them at Atria. So that's Ateneo once again. Ateneo de Iloilo. Mahal ang tuition doon. District 21.
Next naman yung Ayala naman na
Mall.
hindi, yung ay, parang Ayala Development Center.
This one?
Sa kabila niyan sir.
What's the name of the development?
Ayala.
Ayala. Plazuela de Iloilo. Who's the
Andun, sir,
owner?
sa kabila. Si mga Florete.
This is Smallville 21
Oh.
Hotel.
May-ari din.
And Iloilo Business Hotel. Oh.
Oh, may-ari ng Bumburadyo. Sila yung may-ari ng Plazuela.
The what's their last name, kuya?
Florete.
Lorete. Lorete?
Flo.
Florete. Angel A Service Center for your...
May-ari ng Queen Bank, Flow Water sa yung sumusupay din ng tubig sa Iloilo, sila rin may-ari niyan.
Okay.
Ito na yung Ayala Development Center.
Ayala Development Center. There's a Bank of the Philippine Islands on the ground floor, of course. That's from the Ayala Group as well. Phil-Am Life
Sa kabila niyan sir.
and Kinetics Wellness Center. It's a gym.
Massage center.
A massage wellness center. Kinetics. Right on YGQ Building 2011. For your beauty needs and fitness. Blue Jay Coffee and Company. The Kasi. There's the Kasi here.
Boardwalk.
Spring Palace. Boardwalk. This is called the Boardwalk. It's by Ayala.
Oo, Ayala.
Okay.
Sa kabila niyan sir,
Rizalina
yun yung esplanade namin. Doon
Bison.
sa tabi.
Avenue. Pasensya LT Jam Avenue. Riverside.
Medicos.
Yes, the Esplanade. Nakakapunta kami dun sa Esplanade.
Yan, Medicos yan.
Medicos
Condo.
Medical Center. Condo?
Condo, Medicos Condo.
Condo meaning residential?
Hindi.
Or hospital?
Hospital.
Okay.
Yung medical, sa kabila siya. Sa kabila ko yung medical.
And
Medical City.
Medical City. But this Medicos Medical Center is also a hospital, right?
No, hospital.
But you call it Medicos Condo?
Oo, Medicos Condo.
Because some people would think that this is condo kasi for parang living space eh. So this is purely hospital, walang residential doon, unit.
Kilala na kasi dyan sir, pero pag sinabi mo mga medical, doon ka sa kabila. Doon
Okay.
kanila dyan. Nakasanayan kasi dito yan. Medicos Condo.
Goodyear.
Ito naman yung station ng radyo na controversial dito. Yung station.
That's the HLURB
Yan,
office.
Ito na yung traffic na ayaw natin.
Okay, if you go by the commute, there are jeepneys plying along this diversion road in Iloilo City. So you can take these jeepneys if you want to go downtown. So this whole stretch is the diversion road,
Diversion road.
and it's also called
Benigno Aquino Road.
Benigno Aquino Road. So there's an intersection after the bridge, and we go left. That's General Luna Street, one of the major thoroughfares also here in Iloilo City. And this is the Esplanade area. There's Dato Paiburong, the monument of Dato Paiburong right there. And this is Iloilo River. We have this bridge over Iloilo River, like a bridge over troubled waters. We're experiencing slight traffic right now. The Esplanade of Iloilo.
Dato Paiburong.
Dato Paiburong yan.
Ular siya.
Widening of Iloilo Bridge.
Building.
So these projects were constructed during the presidency of Benigno Aquino Jr. Okay.
Mataas na titig dito.
Gaisano.
Hindi sana.
So, there's-
42 story ata.
There's a 42-story building from the Gaisanos here in Iloilo City. That's after SM along Diversion Road. It's going to be a condominium then or commercial lang?
Commercial na siya.
Okay. So the mall is within that building though. How many stories kuya?
42.
2 stories. We're having a lot of real estate updates from here in Iloilo City. And we have an office here from Amaya.
Prado ng Camellia, Abida, tsaka Amaya.
Okay, Standard Insurance. F&E building. (300) 0611 Crossworld, ground floor Emmanuel Business Center, Benigno Aquino Avenue, Molo, Iloilo City. This is Molo?
Molo na.
Okay. That part is Mandariao.
Oo.
Molo, and then downtown.
Downtown.
Saan may Juan Luna Street?
Alam doon eh?
Juan Luna Street.
General Luna.
General Luna Street.
This one.
Ito na sir, papunta doon. Yung pa-cross na dyan.
Nandito ang kuan.
Under-
Sarabia Manor.
Andyan, yung Sarabia.
Sarabia Manor.
On the intersection of General Luna Street and Benigno
Aquino
Aquino
Road.
Road, or the diversion road, there's Jollibee. So it's a popular landmark here. So if you want to meet somebody, you can meet here. So you can easily find each other. And there's also a building here of F&E, Manual Business Center. You'll see Standard Insurance and the office of Maya on the ground floor of this building. We're already on General Luna Street here in Iloilo. It's a major thoroughfare here in the city of Love. And there's a BDO branch here, Iloilo General Luna. We just passed by Santa Barbara. What's the hotel?
Sarabia Manor.
Sarabia Manor, Santa Barbara. Sarabia Manor here in Iloilo City. It's also a good hotel in this city of love. And there's RC 5th Avenue building with the blue glass and white sports thing, sportswear. Ibarra Street. As you see, there's so much Spanish influence here in Iloilo City based on the history of the city. So you see a lot of Spanish architecture, and even the streets are named after some famous Spanish people. So this is for rent. This is commercial space, 5082862 Rosary. If you need some leasing services here in Iloilo, so you might as well contact us for that, for assistance. The Habes building, number 21 General Luna. On the ground floor, there's Appetite, fresh, simple, satisfying. Bus, exclusive dealer, Alta Moda. If you're looking for a gown. So this road, kuya, what's this road?
Pero po, napitasan niya sa napitasan. Lapas.
Labas Haro pa rin.
Hindi, papuntang Lapas.
Lapas.
Oo, Lapas.
So Lapas is between Haro and Mandurriao?
Hindi, between para ano siya, yung Lapas, yung between niya, yung Haro sa Mandurriao.
Okay. So nasa gitna siya ng Mandurriao dito, Haro dito.
Hindi, Mandurriao dito, Lapas, nasa gitna yung Haro.
Okay. Nasa gitna yung Haro. There's a flyover here. Running alongside General Luna Street. Davis Paint reinvented, #1 in colors. AL Sports and Uniforms, Taylor Sports Caps, Bags, PE. Cell phone number 3362222 UBX Corporation. Konica Minolta Digital and Color Copiers, 5086754 Rizzo.
Yan sir, kamilya.
Okay, we're now here at the office of Camellia Studio 28 Salon, Daily Buns Cafe and Bakery, Victor Ortega Salon Premier, Moscoso Iconic. And we're now here at Camellia, a Vistaland company. The Sandra Camellia Savannah projects here in Iloilo. University of San Agustin Injap Center for Continuing Education, Dr. Edgar Injap Sia 2 building. Green, Life UK. Hello mga ka-trippers and friends of amateurs. We're now here at the Camellia office in Iloilo City along General Luna Street. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Amateurs. Hello friends and investors, welcome to Iloilo, and we're now here at the very location of the newest phase of Savannah by Camellia, a Vistaland company here in Iloilo. So this is the newest that we can offer you, my dear friends and investors. So this is the very location of the newest project. So we have several inventories for you, and we are offering pre-selling discounts for our buyers before we launch this project. And we have a new Vista Mall as well here in the whole area. And this is a very huge development by the Villar-led group of Vistaland. And yes, if you want to inquire about this project, please send me an email through amonforrealestate@gmail.com. You can please also check my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com. You can also Google search #AmonForRealEstate, You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Cebu Bohol Homes. That's one word. And we are, of course, bringing you here, right here at the very location in Iloilo for our Camellia project here in the City of Love. And yes, please do send an email for your inquiries. Thank you very much. This is Inji Ramon, your real estate broker and real estate appraiser here in the Philippines. And have a great day and welcome to Iloilo.